Hello everyone, so today we are going to draw a ghost. Not drawing, we are going to create the ghost, okay? Means we will make one ghost, okay? So I'm just taking a A4 sheet paper. You can take any size paper, it's your wish, or any page, okay? And fold it in a vertically, okay? Vertically just fold it like this. And both the side, just the corner portion, make it parallel, and just with the see, just make it like this, okay? Fold it like this. See, it will now become like two part, okay? One is over here, one is over here. So do it properly, okay? Do it properly. Now what I'm going to do, see, I'm going to take a pencil, okay? See, now I'm going to draw skeleton, okay? Very simple. It's a draw from the top, okay? By chance if we don't get space, then draw it from the top, okay? See, draw the shape like this, but I'm just zooming in so that you can see it properly. Draw the shape like this, and then from here draw the shape like this, okay? Draw the shape like this and shape like this, okay? Now the neck portion, okay? Then the skeleton, that rib cage. It's very simple, I'm just doing, okay? Just draw two line, wait, erase this line over here, okay? And join this two, okay? Acha, wait, make it more realistic one, okay? Make it more realistic one. See, after doing this now, just from here draw the curved shape like this, okay? Then draw one line from here, okay? Make it double like a D shape, okay? D shape. Then from here now just draw the curve, okay? And shade inside one, okay? This we are going to cut it with the scissor, okay? The shading portion we are going to cut it. Now I'm just going to make one more line till here, and again we are going to draw the shape like this, okay? One circle over here, then small circle over here. हाँ, जिनको डर लगता है वो ये होमवर्क ना करे, and those who are brave, please try this one, okay? See, now I'm going to draw two line, then small line again like rectangle one, now see finger, and this finger, now just draw it over here like this, okay? Now see, from here you can draw It's very simple, right? Like we draw the human, normal human being in class, human figure, same like that, okay? So I just make it easy. So now your skeleton is ready, and say I'm just going to take the scissor, okay? I'm just taking the small scissor so that I can handle it easily. Take your parents' help, okay, while doing this. Means while just cutting this paper, take your parents' help and then try to do it, okay? First I will cut the border one, okay? The extra page I'm going to remove it first, then the inside portion I'm just going to cut it. So see, now I'm just cutting the paper from here, okay? So just we have almost cut the skeleton like in one piece, and try to cut it properly, okay? So now I'm going to cut the inside portion. See, you can fold it in a half, okay? Fold it in a half, then you can, or else you can do one hole and with the scissor you can cut it out, okay? Whatever comfortable thing you feel, just you can do like that, okay? So here I'm going to do it like this. See, now see, like I was saying that you can create one hole, just make a hole inside and then you can cut it out. Just take the help of your parent, then you do it, okay? Don't cut on your own. Try to take a help from your mother or father. If they are free, then only tell them to help you, okay? Because you are very small, na? So don't take risks. Take a help, then only you do it. just slowly cut it, okay? Whatever coming inside it, just cut it. And inside this circle also just cut it, okay? Okay, so almost it's ready. See, it's looking so dangerous, but half skeleton. Here I'm just folding it. This is not ghost. The ghost will come. Means we will make his real one, okay? Dancing ghost. Just after this, na, see, I'm just going to open this one. So now it's become the full skeleton, right? Become like full skeleton one. So it's almost become the full skeleton, but the one thing is, let's say I'm going to take a very thin paper, okay? I'm going to take a very thin paper, long paper. And cut it like this. And after that, see, I'm going to take a tape, cello tape, okay? And with the cello tape, what I'm going to do, you can take Fevicol also, it's your wish, okay? Very small piece I'm just taking, okay? Going to stick it in the top of this. Okay, so your that ghost is ready, okay? But it's not real one. I'm going to create the real one. Wait. See. Real ghost. See, it's coming. See, dancing over here. It's just a shadow. You have to put a light on the back side, okay? And see, your skeleton, that paper craft will become like the real skeleton. So it's dancing like this. Okay, now got it? How to create the shadow is looking like real one. Right? So if you bring the paper in front of light, so it will become, your skeleton will become very long, okay? And if you make the far away from the light, so your skeleton will become very small. So like this you can make the small and big skeleton, okay? Ghost one, the dancing skeleton, right? Like this.